Have you ever received a message that simply says, "One of the cameras isn't working"? The next few minutes usually involve asking questions like, "Which camera? Can you send a photo? Where exactly is it installed?" Instead of going back and forth over calls or WhatsApp, what if your customers could report the issue with a simple QR code scan? Now, let's see how it works. Open, where your CCTV camera locations are already mapped. Each camera has its own installation record, from which you can generate a unique QR code. Once the QR code is generated, simply share QR code in different ways like email or WhatsApp it to your customers once the installation is complete. You can download and print it and manually stick it near the installed camera. Include it in your installation handover documents. You can also add it to your customer portal or embed it on your website, so customers always have an easy way to report camera issues whenever they need support. Now, let's switch to the customer's perspective. The customer notices that the camera isn't working. Instead of searching for your contact number or opening WhatsApp, they simply scan the QR code. The customer only needs to enter the issue by selecting the site and describing the problem. The request is already linked to the correct customer, site, and CCTV camera, so there's no need to manually identify the affected installation. Submit the complaint as soon as complaint is submitted. A new service request is automatically created in the Service Management portal. From here, the support team can review the complaint through the service desk, validate the request, assign it to the appropriate technician, and track its progress through every stage of the service workflow. Every complaint is converted into a structured service request, making it easy to organize tasks, update request statuses, monitor technician progress, and ensure nothing is missed. All requests can be managed from a centralized dashboard, helping teams collaborate more efficiently and deliver timely support. Like to simplify CCTV complaint management and streamline your after-sales service? Give MAPOG's QR-based complaint management feature a try. Tutorials on interactive mapping. Be sure to visit our channel and explore our latest videos. If you need help managing your CCTV installations, service requests, or after-sales support, we're here to help. Reach out to us anytime at support@mapog.com.